I'm Stuart McGinn. The pandemic is affecting many people financially, but also personally. And one of the ways we're tangibly seeing that evidence is from rising rates of divorces and separations. Divorce lawyers are coming up with ways to address the unknowns linked to the pandemic. I dove into this with Alyssa Bach, an associate lawyer with Shulman Partners LLP, who first told me about the increased demand her firm is seeing.
We've seen approximately a 40% increase in calls inquiring about separation, parenting issues, financial issues. At the start, a lot of the issues were a result of parenting schedules, not knowing what to do given the government protocols. More recently, it's an issue with financials.
That's the big pandemic tie-in. With still so much uncertainty, so in comes the COVID clause.
Essentially saying, look, we're going to readdress this at a later date and time, or saying this is how we're going to address it right now, but we're going to reassess this particular clause at a later date.
Bach says these issues can cover any part of a separation to try and ease the concern of both parties.
If there is income fluctuation or uncertainty, adding in a clause to readdress the income, whether it's as a result of a job loss or as a result of an increase, if employment schedules are changing because of the pandemic, that could impact parenting schedules. Trying to pre-plan some of those unknowns so that you're not necessarily sitting there going, look, we're just not going to settle right now.
For some couples, it even branches into their investments and sticking together on those while separating themselves.
Houses are something that we're seeing that happening a lot in, deciding to hold on to it together so that they can maximize on selling it. Investments, it could be something that if you're seeing a decline, waiting for them to come back up before the actual split.
That's Alyssa Bach, an associate lawyer with Shulman Partners LLP. And at the Business Center, I'm Stuart McGinn.